Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Installation cost. Luckily, we can do that for you, too. We will send a Home Depot associate to provide a professional measurement, starting at $35, credited toward the final cost of your laminate purchase when we install floor plans and a single competitive price for labor and materials.
Take our lead.
Laminate flooring installation cost per square foot. The average cost to install laminate flooring is between $8 and $15 per square foot, including labor and material costs. If you want to buy the flooring and install it yourself, expect to pay anywhere from $2 to $6 per square foot.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
24 hours. Wait for the floor to cure before you use your new floor or move into the room. Make sure the floor is completely cured. Do not walk on the floor for 24 hours after installation. If you do, it will damage the installation, resulting in an uneven floor.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
The average cost to install laminate flooring is $3 to $8 per square foot including labor and materials. Laminate flooring costs between $1,411 and $3,395 with most homeowners paying around $2,352 for professional installation. Get free estimates from flooring contractors near you.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.